सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a web banner design using Adobe Illustrator. So here I go with Adobe Illustrator interface. I go to file menu and I want to create a new artboard. I want to create a new artboard for my web banner designing. So here my width is 300 and height is 600 unit is in pixels, so I can click on create. So here is my artboard 300 into 600. Now I want to make a design for website banners. So here I make a rectangle first and I'll click on color and change the color into light brown and my outline is none. Then I want to create a ruler, so for that go to view and I want to click on ruler. So ruler, so I need guidelines. This is 300 width, so I select the guidelines and my x-axis will be 20 to 80, y-axis will be 20 and this one y-axis 580. So here is my ruler. I select all the ruler and go to object and lock this ruler. Then I want to make a rectangle and I'll click on it and I want to change the color. Fine. After that I want to import an image, so I go to file and place an image here. Alright, just scale down this image and place this image here. Right, easy. Then now I want to write content. So I go to type tool, I just click here and change the font face into geometry. And I change this font face into Brollo and style is bold and I need some tracking, so go for character palette and I enter tracking to 100. Right, after that I want to write something. Okay, I select the BG and press Ctrl+2 for lock. I select all of these. Right, now I select the cell only and change the color into like my same color. And next is I want to write the I want to make the logo. I change this to Roboto and fashion will be my black. So here is my logo and I change the logo color into this color and I place this logo top right corner. Right, and then I make a rectangle here and go to text tool and change into Roboto light, Roboto medium and select the small rectangle. Go to effects, I want to play to drop shadow, so stylize, I place a drop shadow. So here is my dark shadow, then I press OK. So here is my web banner design. Right, so next is I want to make another artboard, so go to artboard palette and create a new artboard. So basically I want to change the size of the artboard. So in second artboard I just click on here. So when you click here the option is coming, and I want to change this artboard width into 400 and height will be 300, right? So here is my artboard. Okay, then what I do, I just make a rectangle here and change the color into this color, and then I create another rectangle. I change the color into this color. Okay, so after that I just select all the text and copy this and select the cell and change the color into this color. And right now I select all of these and scale down, and I want to place here and right click, arrange, bring to front. So I need the PNG images. I just copy pressing alt and right click on it, arrange, bring into front, and I just scale down this girl, and here I make, right? I select all the text and set and select both the buttons, and I press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Here I place, and I just write down the digifation here and right click on it and bring into front. So guys, here is my design for websites. We call it website banner. So please guys, if you like our design, so please like and subscribe our channels. Thanks for watching.